One misconception people have today is that your skill will really make you rich. It will make you rich, but it's not complete. Your skill is dependent on a business model. Let me tell you something. If you have all the skills in the world and you don't do business, you don't know how to plug these skills into the right business model that can print money for you, you're going to be at the mercy of your lack of knowledge. On today's video, I'm going to show you 4 business models that can put money in your pocket this year. If you're ready, then don't forget to subscribe and give a like to this video before we start. Your skills will make you rich, but with the right business model. What do I mean by business model? Business model is simply the business you plug your skill into. There are 4 business models on the internet that if you plug that your skill into it, it can print a lot of money for you. I am going to start with e-commerce. During the COVID in 2022, I wanted to import from China. I wanted to start doing importation business, because I heard it was very lucrative. My friend gave me his course. I studied the course. It was very, very lovely and had everything I needed. Unfortunately, after creating my sales page, landing page, trying to test out the goods, I realized that it was not going to be possible for me to import because of the COVID just came and just blocked everything. So I had to devise a way to make money again from this e-commerce business. So I decided to source for local goods in Nigeria. I went to Lagos Island in Mandelas. I went to a shop that sells glasses. Now, this was sponsored by my friend. My friend held me by the hand, showed me a shop that, hey, this is what he's doing. No, come and do the same thing with me. These people sell glasses, and all you just need to do is to snap the glasses and upload them on social media. And anybody that orders this product, you're going to send it to them and they pay you for it. Now, we're doing a pay on delivery service. This is e commerce. You see, no matter how beautiful e-commerce was, it required that I learned skills like copywriting, funnel building, how to run paid advertisements, and the likes. You can see, imagine I just had all these skills and I did not have the business. The business is not the ability to have knowledge on how to do many things like Facebook ads and all. The business is your ability to go to the market, snap the picture, create the funnel, understanding that your business model is to sell on pay on delivery system and get money. You understand? So many of you may be thinking, how can I even start a business right now? You have something that somebody is selling. If you don't have the product, you can find somebody that have the product. All you just need to do, it will now depend on you learning skills like running advertisement on Facebook or Instagram or YouTube. It will now depend on your copywriting skills for you to craft a compelling marketing message to sell that product. It will now depend on your ability to craft out a system of delivery for that product, especially when somebody buys. So that is one business model that is very important. Now, you may be thinking many things right now. You want to sell bags, you want to sell shoes. You don't need to own all those things. But if you want to own, then you can import those goods from China. You can see Temu now is doing advertisement everywhere. Oraimo is even doing advertisement everywhere. Your job, you can even be a reseller. Put your own price and resell. Intelligent. All you just need to do is to subscribe to somebody that is doing something that you want to do and replicate the same system. Let me tell you something. Pioneering something is almost very dangerous, especially if you are in the third world country like Africa, like Nigeria. Don't try to pioneer any business model. It may work, but be on a safer side. Make sure you're doing something that somebody else is doing and making money, or somebody that has who did before and is proven to work. That is one business model that your skill can be plugged into to help you make so much money. Remember the skills I mentioned that can help you run this business. The next business model I'm going to be talking about is affiliate marketing. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is you being the middleman. You find out somebody that wants to sell something, you get that product from that person gives you an agreed commission, you sell it at that person's price and you get your own commission. When you sell that product, you get your own commission. Now, let's say you want to sell this earpiece. Now, if this earpiece is selling for 50,000 naira and the commission on this earpiece is 50%. If I collect it from Oraimo and I put it online, or if I collect it from Oraimo and I put it online, if I'm selling this earpiece for 50,000 naira, I don't need to put any other price. Oraimo is giving me 25,000 naira, and Oraimo takes 25,000 naira. That is affiliate marketing. Your job is just to help place this in the eyes of the people that are ready to buy it. Do you understand? That is what affiliate marketing is. It's a system of buyer to seller. You get an agreed commission. Now, this happens in real estate, this happens in car dealership and all. The most important thing to note here is agreed commission. Now, I know you've been hearing about affiliate marketing here. Right? There's a digital affiliate marketing, and one of the things you should know is when it comes to digital affiliate marketing, one of the most important thing is your link, your affiliate link, because it's that link that when somebody clicks on it and buy from that link, that is how the system will be able to know that, hey, you're the right person for that commission. So never, when you're doing affiliate marketing, your link is very, very important. Now the next business model that is very profitable is called freelancing. What is freelancing? Freelancing is the act of taking your skills, your intelligence, your knowledge, and offering it as a service to somebody that can pay you your worth. Now, as a copywriter that I am, I'm a copywriter, I'm a book writer, I help people with ghostwriting services and all. What I do is I freelance my services. Companies contact me and I also pitch out to company, hey, my name is Uzoma Ranibo, 7 years of copywriting experience and also skilled in using high level technology with AI to actually write compelling marketing message. I can help take your company revenue to the next level by crafting compelling emails for your products. All you just need to do right now is to employ me and let's make this work. Now, the company sees how exceptional your pitch is and the company brings you in. And when they bring you in, you do the work for them, you get paid a agreed salary. That is freelancing for you. You get paid an agreed amount because of the gig. Freelancing is a gig economy stuff. Now, freelancing is not a new thing. Freelancing has been existing from beginning and the age to come. It's just that this name branded freelancing is almost looking like something that is new, especially in third world country. Remote working, this is what many people use to feed. And all you just need to do is to learn the skills that can help you stay in the comfort of your home and in substantially. Do you have those skills? What skills do you have that you're willing to trade today? It's all about trading. So what skill do you have? If you don't have anything, then you don't stand a chance. You understand? So that is it. Then the next business model, which I find one of the most interesting business models, is information marketing. Now, what is information marketing? The name information and marketing means the marketing of information, knowledge. When you market knowledge and you productize your knowledge, you get paid when you sell. Now, this is just a simple thing. I'm a copywriting coach. In as much as I'm very skilled in copywriting, Facebook advertisements, video editing, and others, if I want to make money using this business model, all I need to do is to productize my knowledge into an ebook, into a course, into a cohort, a membership, whatsoever that can help give people knowledge in a system. When I brand that impact, brand that intelligence, and I put it in the marketplace, I can authorize financial reward for myself. This is what information marketing is. Now, I feel like in all this business model, this one is the most easiest because everybody knows something. All you just need to know is how to market that thing to the people that need it. And that is why this one skill that I feel that everyone who is interested in making money online should have. And it's called copywriting. What is copywriting? Copywriting is the act of crafting emotionally compelling marketing messages that triggers your ideal audience to take a buying decision. Now, if you're a copywriter and you have this intelligence of copywriting, all you just need to do, no matter the business model, you can package something. Now, if you have this skill, you can even sell fish some water to drink. This is how exceptional copywriting is. Copywriting is a skill of persuasion. When you use this skill, you persuade. It's a science of persuasion. Everybody that is listening to me right now, if you're not skilled in copywriting, then you need to get trained. Good thing is that I am a copywriting tutor, and if you're interested in getting trained as a copywriter, all you just need to do is to click the link. You can join my free training or you can purchase my course. Now, these are the four business models that can potentially put so much money in your pocket this year. Now, like I said, those business models are just business models. You also need some skills to plug into these business models to make some money. I'm going to be mentioning five high income skills that you can use today to make so much money, especially when you plug it to any of these business models. Like I used to say, number one, copywriting, very, very important skill to learn. It's a high income skill. It pays you so well when you're very skilled on it in it. And you can plug it to freelancing because you are going to actually freelance your copywriting skills. You can also plug it e-commerce because you are going to actually help position your product right with the right storytelling. You can also plug it with affiliate marketing because it will help you sell that owner, that person's goods that you want to market for a commission. You can also plug it to information marketing. Information marketing, you already have info product, but having an info product alone cannot move mountain. You need to learn how to sell. So that is it. Another skill you need to learn in this time and age is how to use AI. What is in vogue is generative AI. Generative AI is a system where you give the application or the software a prompt and it gives you answers. Now, some of these systems are things like ChatGPT. We also have Google Gemini. We also have DeepSeek. We also have Microsoft's Copilot and Meta AI. These are very important skills you should learn. AI is going to help you in your day-to-day life. You ask it question. It's almost the new Google because you ask it anything and it gives you answer almost immediately. It has helped to reduce work and people can pay you so much just to help them do stuff like this. How can you plug these AI skills in any of these business models? In information marketing, you can even create an information product with AI. You can write a book with AI, create a course with AI. It's generative, so it generates everything for you. All you just need to do is to position and sell it well. That brings us back to that first skill that is very important, copywriting. You can also use your AI to write your sales copy for your e-commerce business. You can also use AI to write sales copies or contents or stories around your affiliate marketing business. And you can also use AI, artificial intelligence, and offer it as a service in your freelancing business. Maybe you're giving a job as a ghostwriter, a email marketer, or anything relating to generative AI stuff. You can always use AI for these jobs and get paid heavily. Another skill you need to learn in this time and age is, I think, video editing is very important. Everybody is in need of video editors right now because there's a rise in content creators and people are looking for people that can edit that video in a very excellent fashion. You can see how this video is just mildly edited. Video editors are very important in this time and age. Now, another one that I always say, content creators is a very important skill because no matter the business model you're doing, if you don't create content, then I'm not even sure how you can even market that your product because content creation is content marketing. Everything can be sold through storytelling. And trust me, content creation is not just coming through your camera. There is an intelligence when it comes to content creation. You need to learn how to systematically deliver your message, just like the way I'm doing. Not so perfect, but you can always get better as the time goes on. Another skill that is very, very important to learn in this time and it is how to run a profitable advertisement. Like I told you, if you have the best skills in the world, you have the best business models in the world, but nobody sees your product, only you and your family member will use it. So today, learn how to run a profitable Facebook, Instagram, or Google advertisement. That is one of the things that can change the game of your business. Finally, I think that is five high income skills already. I think that is enough for this video. But if you got value, don't fail to comment below. Just tell me you got value and don't fail to subscribe to this channel. Give a like, share it to your friends, and turn on the notification so that you wouldn't miss any of my video. Lastly, if you like to learn copywriting from the boss of copywriting himself, Boss Uzi, all you just need to do is to click on the link in the description to sign up for my free training. But you can also join my cohort that is just starting right now. See you in class, everyone.